This is my island. This is my home, Kiribati. A tropical paradise challenged by rising seas and unpredictable weather. Every day, I walk this beach hoping to make a difference, but the waves keep bringing more. I wonder, what choices do I have for my future here? Will Kiribati still be here in the future? Someday I will have a family. What will it be like for them? What will it be like for their children? Some say time may be running out for Kiribati. I say it's not too late for us to make a difference. It's not too late for the world to see us. It's not too late to do something.
Headlines, hard times, selling me a lie to live by. Anything to turn the noise down, turn the noise down.
Yesu ya